I want an applause. Yeah. Well, thank you all for coming. A lot of you I know, some of you I don't. Some amazing founders in this room right now. I see Melissa over there. I saw Ash earlier. I see Trevor, who I met today. Welcome from Orlando. You're welcomed here to Austin. And Phil's right here, or Hugh's right here. Thank you for coming, man. So yes, I'm Aaron Handworker. I'm the community lead here at Capital Factory, and I came here about 3 years ago now with my second startup because of the mentor program. If you join Capital Factory with your startup, you have access to 200 mentors. They've all started, scaled, exited a company, or they're an industry expert. And unlike other accelerators or incubators, which I would never define us as, it's not structured. You just book time and go. That's the huge value. It's eternal. It's not 2 months and give us 7% and then goodbye. You know, it's welcome, you're here for as long as you need to be here. Outside of the 200 mentors, we also have a suite of other perks, AWS credits, IBM Cloud credits, legal consultations through BakerBots, amongst several others. We also have our whole Slack community of over 3,000, so you can look for co-founders, look for referrals, look for beta testers, whatever you might need. And of course, we have 24/7 co-working with hot desks, with dedicated desks, with private offices. And on top of that, we're a VC. We've invested in over 900 companies in the last 15 years. We're industry agnostic. We have the only 2 private companies who've landed on the moon. Firefly and Intuitive Machines are in our portfolio. We have a tequila brand. We have cybersecurity. We have everything. So if you're a startup and you're in that early stage or beyond, come out to Capital Factory, connect with me, and we'll walk you through the space, talk you about our ecosystem, and introduce you to one of the 1,200 events that we have here every year. FIESTA is one of my absolute favorites. It's one of the reasons I came to Capital Factory. I pitched my startup on this stage over 2 years ago now, and it's just an incredible ecosystem. It's WeWork, except everyone's a founder. We're all in the same ocean, just different boats. We get it, we support each other, and we'd be happy to have you. Thank you so much.